Let's talk about one of the most friction-filled parts of our job, the move-in process. You have found a great qualified tenant. They're excited, you are ready to get the lease signed, and then everything comes to a screeching halt. Why? Well, a lot of the time, it's the security deposit. The back and forth of getting cashier's checks, waiting for funds to clear, and managing escrow accounts can really slow everything down. But there is a way to remove that friction, speed up your leasing cycle, and still keep your properties protected. Security deposit alternatives. Let's talk about what they are, how they work, and how you can use them to make your move-ins faster and easier to manage. But before we dive in, go ahead and make sure that you subscribe to the Buildium channel for more tips just like this to help you run your business more efficiently. Security deposit alternatives replace the traditional lump sum cash deposit that a tenant pays at move-in. So instead of holding their money in a separate account, a third-party service provides a guarantee for the property. There are a few common alternatives that are out there. The first is billing authorization. Think about how a hotel handles payments. They don't take a huge cash deposit when you check in. They actually authorize a charge against your card. Billing authorization works the same way. The tenant's account is pre-authorized and you can make a claim against it if there are damages at move-out. Other common options include surety bonds, where a bonding company guarantees coverage, and deposit insurance, where the tenant pays a small monthly premium instead of a large upfront deposit. The bottom line is, the property stays protected, but the tenant doesn't have to tie up a large amount of cash. It is a win-win that can really speed things up. When you give qualified renters more flexibility, you're making their lives easier and speeding up leasing for your team. The key benefits include faster leasing and shorter vacancies, a strong competitive edge, reduced reliance on concessions, stronger tenant retention, and less compliance hassle. In a crowded market, offering deposit flexibility can be the one thing that makes your listing stand out from the rest. So instead of offering a free month's rent that eats into your revenue, you can offer financial flexibility that costs you nothing. With less financial friction, tenants can move in more quickly, which means fewer days on the market for your units. A smooth, positive move-in experience sets the right tone from day one, and this leads to happier residents who are more likely to stay. Now, depending on your state, you may be able to reduce the administrative work that's tied to escrow accounts and interest reporting. Let's get practical. How does this actually speed up your day-to-day? Well, we've all been there. A great applicant is ready to sign, but we have to tell them, okay, now go to the bank, get a cashier's check, and come back. It's a built-in delay. With a deposit alternative, the tenant can actually satisfy that requirement on the spot, often in just a few minutes online. You can move straight to the signing of the lease without all that back and forth, and it keeps the momentum going. Another common roadblock, a tenant is waiting for their deposit to be refunded from their last place. Now that can hold up your entire process. An alternative breaks that cycle completely. And for the property owners, well, you can let them know that their investment is protected.
A service like Obligo vets renters to make sure they meet security requirements without making them pay a traditional deposit up front.
Instead, renters extend a billing authorization backed by a letter of credit so that you're guaranteed up to the original deposit amount. It's built to protect you, the property, and the property owner while giving an attractive alternative to a significant expense.
Alternatives like Obligo are a classic win-win for both parties.
Now, how you talk about these options matters. You might worry that advertising no deposit will attract applicants who aren't financially qualified. The key is in the language. Instead of no deposit, use phrases like deposit flexibility available for qualified renters. This right here makes it clear that all applicants still go through your standard screening process. And be sure to have a clear process for what happens if an applicant doesn't qualify for the alternative. They can always fall back to a traditional cash deposit, which keeps your leasing workflow moving forward without any confusion. Be Be straightforward when letting your clients know about your deposit alternatives. Start by addressing property owners' primary concern: protection. Show them that the coverage is guaranteed and backed by a letter of credit. When they see their risk remains unchanged, they'll focus on the benefits. Using a tool like Buildium's owner portal helps build that trust by giving them real-time visibility into their property's performance. Second, pick tools that fit with the software you already use. If your team has to learn a whole new system, they're less likely to use it. Look for providers that integrate directly with your property management platform.
Buildium lets you connect Obligo and other leasing and payment services directly into your existing workflows, so there's no double data entry.
Finally, train your staff with simple talking points. They just need to know how to answer the most common questions. A little training goes a long way in making the rollout a success. Now, before you commit to a provider, it is a really good idea to ask a few key questions. This space has seen companies come and go, so you want to be sure that you are partnering with a stable provider. Here are the questions to ask. What happens if the provider shuts down? What is the qualification process? Does the service integrate with your current software? How does the program support compliance? Is your coverage backed by insurance or a letter of credit that will still be valid? How do tenants qualify? And what's the fallback plan if they don't? Ask for a demo to see exactly how the workflow operates within the platform you already use. Security deposit laws vary by state, so ask if the provider offers resources to help you stay on top of local regulations. Having a centralized place in Buildium to store all of your lease agreements and program disclosures also helps you keep organized and compliant. Look, at the end of the day, security deposit alternatives give you a practical edge. You can reduce the time between application and move-in, you can also cut down on vacancy days, and of course, lower the administrative burden on your team. It is all about creating a better experience that attracts great renters and saves you time.
To learn more about how Buildium and its integration with Obligo can help you with security deposit alternatives, check out our free 14-day trial, no credit card required, or schedule a demo.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching.